guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to breed a fox. Okay, so you can find foxes up in the mountains or down in the dark wood, which is spruce wood and oak wood. Okay, so I don't want to go looking all over the world so I can find them, so I'm just going to place two, and I'm going to feed them sweet berries. That's what they eat. Sweet. Oh, you're adorable. Now eat. And then there will be a baby. Oh, the mom and dad are sleeping. You're so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Look at how curled up he is. He's adorable. He looks like a little tiny pillow or something like that. Well, bye.